Are you looking for a good digital marketing center? Then you have reached the right place. We believe that a good educational center should focus on both quality education and affordable pricing for all the students. Therefore, Digital Drive 360 runs you into a comprehensive digital marketing course that focuses on all the aspects of digital marketing and personalized learning. In this course, we will provide 30 advanced digital marketing modules where you can learn practically through assignments, projects, and job internship. You will also get 14 major certifications from Google. What's more, you will get free tools and platform to practice. Not just the learning, but Digital Drive 360 help you with career guidance and placement assistance as well. So what are you waiting for? Start learning digital marketing in a very simple and easy way. Take a demo class with us and experience our world-class training. Contact us and book your seats now.